Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 08 May 2018, 07 of hour, 16 of minute and 16 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what eats a seagull? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what eats a seagull. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about what eats a seagull. Exhibit A, the octopus. On more than one occasion, people at the beach have witnessed an octopus wrestling and devouring a seagull. Several octopus species come into shallow water to feed and can even walk on dry land. Seagulls like eating fish. Last update May 28, 2015. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.